Hello, fourth graders. This is Miss Kay, and I am going to read your words for your spelling assessment today. So make sure that you're on the correct Google form. I'm going to read every word, and then I will give you a sentence using that word. You are going to type just the word in the box. So, for example, if the first word was kite, I would say, Denicia flew her kite at recess. And you would type the word kite, okay? Make sure to use your strategies, stretch out that word, look for the chunks, and if you need more time, feel free to pause my video and go back whenever you need to. All right, so let's get started. Number 1, nonfiction. This book about the president is all true, which makes it nonfiction. Number 1 is nonfiction. Number 2, entrust. Mom said she will entrust me to lock the door before we leave. Number 2 is entrust. Number 3, unlikely. It's unlikely that we will go for a walk because it's supposed to rain. Unlikely. Number 4 is nonsense. Wearing a wool coat and hat on a hot day is nonsense. Nonsense. Number 5, enjoy. I would enjoy chocolate cake because it is my favorite. Number 5 is enjoy. Number 6, unsuccessful. The boy was unsuccessful on the balance beam. He fell off and had to start again. Number 6 is unsuccessful. Number 7, unsettle. It will unsettle the hungry people if you tell them the food is running out. Number 7 is unsettle. Number 8, nonstop. She talked nonstop for the entire trip. Number 8 is nonstop. Number 9, unable. She had never been on a horse before and was unable to come on the ride. Unable. Number 10, unusual. I could not tell which animal was making the unusual sound coming from the barn. Number 10 is unusual. Number 11, ensure. Take the gift to her yourself to ensure she gets it by tomorrow. Ensure. Number 12, non-issue. I just need a shirt that fits. The color is a non-issue. Non-issue. Number 13, non-verbal. The collection of illustrations was a non-verbal way to tell the story. Non-verbal. Number 14, enclose. Let's enclose the yard with a fence so the dog doesn't run away. Number 14 is enclose. And number 15 is unrest. There was unrest among the students because the teacher said there would be no recess. Unrest. Okay, I'm just going to go through the words one more time. Remember, rewind the video, go back if you missed any words or need to hear them again. So number 1 was nonfiction. Number 2, intrust. Number 3, unlikely. Number 4, nonsense. Number 5, enjoy. Number 6, unsuccessful. Number 7, unsettle. Number 8, nonstop. Number 9, unable. Number 10, unusual. Number 11, insure. Number 12, non-issue. 13, non-verbal. 14, enclose. And number 15 is unrest. All right, that is all for your spelling assessment. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, guys.